Good morning class 6 parents and my dear students. Today we are taking second property of an object or a matter that is soluble or insoluble in water, and we are utilizing this property that is soluble and insoluble in water to sort or to separate substances or objects. In this video, we will learn 5 terms, and they are solute, solvent, solution, soluble substances, and insoluble substances. So first we will take what is meant by solute. Solute, it is the substance that dissolve in solvent. Okay, ये वो substance होता है जो solvent में dissolve होता है. It is present in less amount or its quantity is less than solvent. Example is salt in water, sugar in water, oil in water, and lemon in water. So salt, sugar, oil, and lemon are the solute, and water are solvent. Water is solvent. Now solvent, the substance that dissolves the solute is called solvent. Solvent present in higher amount than solute. Example, generally water is called universal solvent. So water is a universal solvent. Universal solvent means water मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा लिया जाता है सॉल्यूट को डिज़ोल्व करने में. ज़्यादातर जो सॉल्यूट होते हैं वो वाटर में डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं. ओके, सॉल्यूट प्लस solvent makes solution. So solute present in less amount and solvent present in more amount. So we are taking two substances, salt and water. Salt is present in less amount, so it is called solute. Water is present in more amount, so water is called solvent. Now we will dissolve salt into water, okay, and we will stir it. After some time we can see that salt is dissolved in water. So now this water is called solution of salt and water. Okay, so solute plus solvent makes solution. So we can classify substances as soluble or and insoluble substances. Soluble substances, substances which are completely disappeared or dissolved in water, they are called soluble substances. Okay, they form solution with water. वो substance जो पूरे dissolve हो जाते हैं, disappear means वो बिल्कुल छुप जाते हैं water में, then उन substance को हम बोलते हैं soluble substances. Insoluble substances, substances that do not dissolve or disappeared in water are called insoluble substances. They do not form solution with water. Okay, examples, oil in water and chalk in water. So oil and chalk here are called insoluble substances. So student, now you know what is mean by these 5 terms. So now we will perform activity on the basis of the solubility of substance, either it's soluble or insoluble in water.